up. Like in there.
Okay. We got another pretty girl popping adjustment here. There you go. I swear. Are there any regular people left in the world? It's almost like these docs feel like it's like they ask them to take their clothes off to get an adjustment. Come on in. We're going to do an adjustment today. First thing I need you to do is take off all your clothes and strip down to your sports bra. And I don't see why you have to do that. I mean, I know it gets abused, but come on. You know, I can't do it. I can't like post a bunch of internet videos of just girls in sports bras because I just don't think it's right. But I guess if these guys want to do it, they can.